and welcome back. I am going to declutter 50 more items today. I thought I would go through my dresser of drawers and pull out everything that I want to get rid of. I'm going to get my big black bin that you've seen if you've watched my day 1 and my day 2 declutters. So I'm going to go grab that and I'm going to go through. I'm going to put my true crime podcast in and listen while I declutter. Thank you so much for joining me as I am decluttering today. This is my day 3 of a challenge I'm doing to declutter 1,000 items around my house, and I will say each day it gets easier and more enjoyable, and I feel just such a sense of relief after I declutter. Now, I can tell you that the majority of these items that I am decluttering today will just be going into the trash. There are a lot of heavily used socks and clothes that I've used to sleep or work in, and I just don't think that a Goodwill would find any value in these items, so I don't even want to try to junk up their inventory with stuff like this. But day 1 and day 2, I did declutter and I took those items to Goodwill, and so that was a good feeling. As of right now, I am up to, 150 items that I have decluttered, and I divided it out. If you try to do 1,000 items within 30 days, if you do 50 items a day, you can do it in about 20 days. So I will definitely be doing it in 30 days or less, and I will record every step of the way. Right now, I'm just kind of have the mentality, if I need to get rid of it, I haven't decluttered it in a while, if I haven't used it in a while, then it needs to go. Some of the items I will list on eBay, but I try to keep most of them to donation only because eBay, you still have to keep the item in your possession until you sell it. So it's not necessarily decluttering in a sense, but even if you do sell it on eBay, you can, kind of rehome it, reorganize it to a different area of your house. So I try to declutter donation or trash items. That's what I'm making priority, and that's what I'm doing today. Thank you again so much for joining me. My name is Mary Lou. I make motherhood lifestyle content, and I am so glad you are here.
Late nights, wishing that this would be over. Cold ice, the same fights. We won't be getting any closer. We're supposed to be young, dumb, and free. Thought that we never be me. Hoping that you'll see what we could be before we throw it all away. And pride's forsaken both of us. Always thought that we would get it right. We've been fighting 9 to 5. Always thought that you'd be by my side. Up all of our mistakes, what we have done. We're supposed to be young, dumb, and free. Thought that we never be me. Hoping that you see what we could be before we throw it all away. And pride's forsaken both of us. Always thought that we would get it right. We've been fighting 9 to 5. Always thought that you'd be by my side. Ashes to ashes, falling alone, leaving to its own demise. Ashes to ashes, where do we go? Yeah, where do we go? And pride's forsaken both of us. Always thought that we would get it right. We've been fighting 9 to 5. Always thought that that you'd be by my side.
Kiss still burning, didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're on the horizon. You're on the horizon. I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I'm withering under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. You're on the horizon. You're on the horizon. Let me tell you what I found. Leaving everything behind, knowing there is more in life than I want. Now I wanna embrace life, you and I side by side, knowing there is more in life than I want.
Okay, so quite a few things from these drawers. I cleaned out my sock drawer, and there's all kinds of socks that are shrunk and they don't fit and I never wear them anymore, so I decluttered all of those. And these are drawers that I keep my pajamas in, so I cleaned out all of that, or pajamas or anything that I don't hang up in my closet. So work shirts, you know, if I work around the house or outside in the yard, those types of things I keep in here, so I clean that out. And then I keep all my nice shorts and skirts in the very top drawer, so I kind of more organized than that. Found a few items that are in the wrong drawer, they need to go elsewhere. I found one thing I'm gonna sell on eBay. This is a nightgown that I got when I was pregnant. I wanted something nice to wear when I was in the hospital. I have never worn it after that, so it is basically brand new. I'm gonna list that on eBay. Now I'm gonna go over to my bedside nightstand and declutter those drawers. Let's go. Okay, well, I thought I was going to have more time. I'm going to have to pick back up this declutter session, and I'm going to do my nightstand, the drawers of my nightstand, but I need to go do something with the kids. So when I come back, hopefully as soon as I can this evening or tomorrow sometime, I'm going to finish up this declutter. This is what I have so far. Whoops, let me see. This is what I have so far. All clothes. I'm feeling really good to have that chest of drawers decluttered all the way, and next I will be working on these drawers. So to be continued. Okay, I'm back. Let's get these drawers done. keep them pretty decluttered on a regular basis, so it didn't have much in them. I'm gonna count everything I have here and I'll let you know how much. Okay, so I have 39 items right here, 40 the nightgown I'm going to sell on eBay, and a bunch of socks. So I'm going to count all of this decluttering as 50. Thank you guys so much for joining me. If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.